Hey everybody, welcome again. So in my last video I spoke about how you can unblock websites using a VPN. So in this video we are going to look at another way you can unblock websites if you don't want to use VPN. So what you need for that, you need a special browser that's called Tor. You need to install that on your computer and then you will be able to use it. So if you just head to Google and you search for Tor, you will see the first link that appears on your search result is this, and you can directly download browser from this link. So as you can see, it's available for Windows, OS X, Linux and Android, and even for iOS. I'll put all these links in the description, but you can just head to this website and you can download the relevant software for your operating system. So just to give you an overview of how this will unblock the websites for you. So let's say I go to Google and I look for tiktok.com. So this is just an example that is blocked for me, and I'm going to show you how it will be unblocked using Tor. So let's say I try to load this website or any other website that might be blocked for you. You will see that it won't be able to load it, and then we will use Tor just to see if it can load that. So if I just open that again, you can see that it's not being loaded currently. So now I'm going to close Chrome and I'm going to head to Tor. So I have it installed already for me, so I'm just going to start it. So if I now open the same website in Tor browser, you will see that it will be able to load that. So I'll just give it a few seconds to load it, and yes, you can see it can load it. So this is another way you can unblock websites if you don't even want to use VPN. Tor browser is free, it's open source, you can just download it, install it, and you can start using it. A few things you need to understand about Tor when you are using it. So Tor basically enable anonymous communication by directing your traffic through a free worldwide network, which is basically just going to hide your identity. So the intended use for Tor is to enable anonymous communication. It's just to allow you to surf internet without actually having to worry about your identity. And how Tor does that? It routes your traffic by a circuit of nodes that just keep on passing your data from one node to another node. So nobody will ever know that what was the original location where this traffic was originated. And that's how it can actually hide your identity, and that way it can also allow you to access websites which you are not able to access normally. So there are also some restrictions when you're using Tor. Some of the website won't allow you to access their content if you're coming from Tor browser. But that's a very limited list, and you can mostly use Tor for all of your internet surfing. And most people who are worried about their data privacy and they are worried about their identity being leaked on internet and stuff like that, they prefer to use Tor. And obviously you can also use it to just unblock websites if that's what you want to do. So that's about it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.